Imagine you want to store the marks of 50 students in Python program, but there will be a very difficult to store marks using separate variables for each mark. But uh, there is one more option in Python that is called list. So lists are a very powerful data structure in Python which allow us to store multiple values inside a single variable. List is one of the most important and frequent used data structure in Python. It also used in data science, artificial intelligence, web development, and other industries uh, that uses Python. In today's video, we will learn everything about Python lists from absolute basics to very advanced concepts. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand what lists are, how lists work internally, how to manipulate lists, and advanced features like list comprehension, etc. Let's start. So list is a collection of multiple elements that So, a list in Python is a collection of multiple elements stored in single variable in an ordered sequence. Lists defined using square brackets. Let's see a simple example of list. For example, numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, and 40. So these are four numbers. Uh, now these all are stored into a single variable, that is number. So here you can see all the values are separated by commas and enclosed by square brackets. So lists store multiple elements separated by commas, and all the elements enclosed by these square brackets. So it is called list in Python. Now, if I want to check how it is stored in variable numbers, so I want to print these numbers. Now you can see here this is a collection of these four values. So it is printed here. Now these lists work like a container. So four elements here are like stored in a single container named numbers. You can also see in real life, for example, you want to go to shopping, and you create a shopping list. For example, you want to purchase milk, bread, eggs, and butter, etc. So you will create a list like this: uh, shopping and list. For example, I am taking name shopping list. So you can create a list here like milk, bread, eggs, and like butter. So you can see here in Python, you cannot store these values directly. You have to create them as a string. So this is first string, this is second string, this is third string, and this is fourth string. So in Python you can store different types of data. You can store like numbers, you can store strings, you can store other data types as well. Now this is a real life list as you create in real life also. Now if I want to print this, I can use print function and shopping underscore list. Now what is the difference between lists and other arrays in different languages? So here list is ordered. So you can see here, this is first element, this is second element, this is third element, fourth element. If you will add you want to add more element, it will be like inserted in the last until you are not changing the position of a particular like element. So every element inside a list has its own index. So it has first index, this is second index, third index, like this. So in this way it is a particular it has a particular order. All right. Now you can see if you want to like insert a particular element in this list, you will like for example, you have another list of a particular element like this. This is another element here. For example, I want to purchase tea also. So this is another list, and you had one previous list, shopping list. Now, if you uh, write like this, so this is previous list, and you are adding one more element in this list. So this is the concept of concatenation. So you are adding one list to another list, but here you can see, if I am adding one more element, so it is in the last of this list. So here it will have index 4 here, because in Python indexing starts from 0. So this has 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, and 4 index. Like this you can add more elements, and that will have uh, 5, 6, 7, like this index in Python. Lists are also mutable, and if you want to now what is the mutability in Python? In case of mutability, you can add more element inside a list, you can remove elements, or you can modify a particular element. For example, I want to add coffee here, and I don't want tea. So this list has 5 elements. So this has uh, 4 index, because indexing is starting from 0. So in case of shopping list, uh, and I created this, but there is a problem here. I didn't modify this list because I am just concatenating these two lists, and I am not storing the result into another like list. So for example, I want to